How to download shows and movies on Peacock TV. Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To begin with, if you have installed your Peacock TV in your device, just launch it. Make sure that you have logged in or created an account or profile in your Peacock TV. Tap on the designated profile with which you want to download a show or a movie. Now in here you can use the browse option or the search icon to search for a particular content that you wish to download. If not, you can just select one from your continue watching option. That would be your latest watch. In here you should see the option of download button. However, it is only available for the premium users. So if you have a premium membership, you will see the download button. All you need to do is simply click on the download option. After which, to check out your downloaded content, tap on the Peacock icon that is in your right hand corner at the top. Here you'll find every downloaded content you have downloaded so far. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.